Sebastian playing his keyboards. He likes them a lot. Are you having fun, Bazzy Boo? You having fun playing the keyboards? Yeah, Mom, this is my favorite thing to do. What do you think? Is that fun? Is that fun, Sebastian? You like playing the keyboards? Yeah, you do. You do. Having lots of fun this morning. Yeah. They're playing with their toys. Uh-oh. No, yeah, the music stopped. That's no good. That's better. You're gonna be just like your brother Alex. You get an early start, huh? Yeah. Well, Lucy wants to help you. Okay, Lucy, that's enough. Isn't that fun? You're making music. Yay! Are you trying to sing too? Are you trying to sing too? Yeah, can you sing us something? Where'd the music go? Where'd the music go? Oh. Gotta move a little closer. We slid a little ways back. There we go. Yay! Ooh, this is so fun. I'm making music. Are you having fun with that, Debbie? Yeah. We'll get back to you when we've completed our masterpiece.